Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the fridge compressor nameplate, voltage, run amps, and Locktroder amp LRA. Once done, pick a start relay sized at or above the LRA and with the correct coil voltage. Mismatches will damage the compressor. Make sure power is off at the breaker and use lockout/tagout. Then, arrange tools, insulated screwdriver, multimeter, wire strippers, and appropriately gauged wire. You want a clean, repeatable work area, no wet surfaces, so you can wire with confidence and safety. You now wire the relay to the compressor. First, confirm C, S, and R with a schematic or meter. Once identified, mount the relay close to the compressor to minimize lead length. Strip and crimp wires to proper gauge, use ring or spade terminals, and torque to spec so connections stay tight. Then connect the relay contact between common and start and the coil to the control supply or thermostat circuit. Make sure to route wires away from vibration and hot surfaces, and secure with cable ties. You finish by restoring power and observing the start sequence. Compressor should spin up, then draw steady run current. If you hear persistent hum, repeated trips, or high current, cut power immediately. Then make sure the relay rating, wiring polarity, and any start capacitor are correct. A weak or wrong relay causes failure. Use a multimeter to check coil voltage and continuity across CS during start. If troubleshooting fails, replace the relay or capacitor, and never run a compressor under unsafe electrical conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.